Once upon a time, there was a young, aspiring game developer named Alex. He was passionate about creating a game that would bring joy to others, while still fulfilling his own dreams. But one day, he received some harsh feedback from a playtester, which sent him spiraling into self-doubt. What if he wasn't meant for this? Determined to fight back, Alex remembered something that he had read, the Revive and Thrive framework. He decided to apply this to his life. Sure, you stumbled, you failed, you made a mistake, you slipped up. But here's a little secret. Failure is a part of the journey. It's not the end of it. Call it a side quest or XP farming. It's a chance to grow and evolve. Life's challenges often feel like an unfair level with a steep learning curve, daunting and overly tricky. But just like those intricate puzzles and boss fights, they are winnable. They are opportunities for growth and self-development masquerading as enemies and traps. The Revive and Thrive framework guides you through leveraging these hurdles, these setbacks, and turning them into setups for remarkable comebacks. So let's dive in first now to the first vital phase, acknowledgement. First, Alex faced the setback head-on. He analyzed the playtester's critique, understanding where some improvements could be made, and this critical feedback actually was a valuable lesson, not a failure. In gaming, you don't give up at the game over screen. You think about what went wrong, you study it, you apply those lessons to your next attempt. And when life tosses a villain your way, or an obstacle, a dragon, a monster, a zombie, whatever you want to classify it as, don't shy away. Recognize the setback and decode it. Study it. This isn't failure. It's a side quest to gain XP and understanding. Remember, recognize the setback, understand its cause, and treat it as a valuable lesson. Emboldened with a newfound clarity, Alex revisited his game design. He made revisions to it, building on his initial vision without abandoning it. He knew that it was simply a temporary obstacle, and he was committed to taking action to improving his work and achieving his dream. Every attempt is a second chance. So when your game or life veers off track, hit reset. Try it again. Attempt again. But remember, a direct retry may lead to a similar outcome. So always realign your goals and adjust the plan. You don't want to do the same thing over and over again if it's not actually working. In neurolinguistic programming, we say, if what you've tried isn't working, then try something else, because anything else has a higher chance to work than what you've done if it isn't working. So adjust. Imagine a different way to approach the level. Change your state, adjust your plan, and commit to action. To bounce back stronger, Alex took a break to refuel and embrace self-care. He spent time with friends, he enjoyed a movie night, he recharged his mind and body. And this downtime had a remarkable impact on his resilience. Rejuvenated and armed with newfound wisdom, Alex pressed on with his game development. He tackled future obstacles with a never-say-die conviction. Whenever a setback came his way, he remembered the Revive and Thrive framework and returned to it. With dedication, passion, a clever strategy to bounce back from adversity, Alex finally witnessed the launch of his dream game, a testament to the unwavering power of an indomitable spirit. No one goes into battle half HP. Same with life. Self-care isn't a bonus. It's a power-up. Refuel your mind and body, just like your character does. So you should do it too. Refuel mentally and physically. Embrace self-care and cultivate resilience. Failures are just mistaken methods. They're opportunities to acknowledge, reset, and recharge. So rise again, ready to conquer future obstacles. Come back to this framework every time you stumble so that you can really ground it into your mentality. What's your go-to strategy for bouncing back? Share it below in the comments and click this video over here for more motivation and inspiration. Good luck, have fun. Peace.